Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1969 Dodge Charger. Stunning car, guys, man. Absolutely love this car. Car's out of North Carolina. It is a 5-year-old complete body up restoration and just gorgeous. This is the original color combination. It's finished in B5 blue metallic. It's got the B7 blue interior. Car runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Anybody hunting for these Chargers, you know these things are just impossible to find. I mean, I've been doing this since I was 17 years old with my dad. I mean, these cars have always been impossible to find. They've always been hot, where a lot of things in the market will kind of heat up and cool down. Chargers and Cudas, always highly sought after. Great car. A buddy of ours, when he got this car for us out of North Carolina, he said that local guy owned it, and he restored it. And he said, to tell you what kind of car it is, when he brought it down to my buddies, you can see it's got the little bit of original trim you can pick there. He had his wife drive it an hour and a half down to my buddy's place. So he said it is a good car. Beautiful B5 blue metallic paint. Again, this is the original color combination. It's got the hood mount turn signals. Not a whole lot as we walk around. There's a couple little stone pecks I've seen that you can kind of pick at, but man, this car is killer. Gorgeous paint. Like I say, not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Of course, these 69s are the... I mean, I'm a 68 guy. I think the 68s are the coolest Chargers. But I know 69s are probably the most popular. I think everybody will tell you they probably bring the most, because of course that's the general league car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Like I say, other than a couple little touch-up marks, not a whole lot to really pick, guys. Clean, straight, matching numbers, engine and trans. It's got the 15-inch chrome Magnums on it with BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Disc brakes on the front. That is a good-looking car right there. Again, matching numbers, 3D3, matching number 727 Torqueflite trans. It's got an Edelbrock 600 CFM 4-barrel on it with an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, Mopar radiator, power steering, power front disc brakes, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. That's just in the dust, guys. Dual snorkel air cleaner, stock valve covers. Nice car. Stone pick there. Pretty car, man. Original A-pillar chrome. You can kind of nitpick that a little. Remote mirror. Looks like the door handles. All this stainless is really nice. New door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. This has got it's got all new Legendary interior in it. New sill plates, new carpet. Factory bucket seats with the center buddy seat. Headliner looks good. Little cracks in the steering wheel there. Factory dash engages 92,967 on your odometer. They say there's not very many miles actually on the restoration. AM radios in the dash. In that glove box is a Autosounds custom radio in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. It's got a BF Goodrich spare with a Magnum here in the trunk. Nice car, man. Look down here. Oh, sorry, accidentally pushed a button on the camera. Just everywhere you look, man, this car is just nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. These have definitely been all repadded, refoamed. It's got Cletus's autograph. That would have been one of the police officers at in the Dukes of Hazzard show. New door handles. Got the A-pillar still about the same on this side. A little bit of a cam to it, nothing crazy. We have a little exhaust leak on that other side. We'll check that. Sounds like a little bit of a collector gasket leak. Boy, it's a nice car. It's your turn signal. I don't know if you can see those, but the ball fell out. Oh, okay. See, I know they work. Okay. Factory gauges are all working. No clock. I don't know if you can see all those. The sun's right behind me, so good sound. There's your aftermarket radio. It works. Blower motor works. And everything opens and closes real nice. Yeah, the vacuum's a little slow. There you go, they're good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clock work. Oh, he said the clock does work. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.
guys.